So for this one, we have these four options, and we're being asked which of the following expressions is equal to 0 for some value of x. So out of these four options, there's only one for which there's just some x value that'll make the expression equal to 0. And we see that kind of the key here is that we have absolute values in each answer. And as a quick reminder, absolute value makes the sort of resultant of whatever's inside equal to 0. So for example, if you have like 2 minus 4 in absolute value, this is equal to absolute value of 2 minus 4, so negative 2, but the absolute value makes it positive, so it becomes 2. So let's go ahead and just go through each one of these one by one. So for A, is there any value of x that could possibly make this expression equal to 0? Well, yeah. I mean, I'm looking at this, so I'm thinking if you make x equal to 0, then it would be just 0 minus 1, so just absolute value of negative 1, and then minus 1, which is equal to, again, absolute value makes what's on the inside positive, right? So that would be positive 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Over here, so, I mean, I'm pretty sure A is the answer, but let's just go through the others. So for this one, just, again, thinking about it, no matter what you put for x, the output of this absolute value is going to be positive. If you put 0 for x, absolute value of just positive 1, it's still positive 1. If you make x some large negative number, like for example, if you made x like negative 10, this would be negative 10 plus 1, so negative 9, but it's the absolute value of negative 9, so it would still be 9 plus 1, so the outcome would still be positive. So basically, you see that A is the only one with a negative 1 on the outside, and that's really why, because everything that comes out of an absolute value will be positive. So it's always going to be a positive plus a positive here, a positive plus a positive, positive plus a positive. This is the only one where you have a positive and then minus something, so you can actually get 0.